All good things come to an end, and much like those things, so does my vacation. Starting tomorrow, all new videos from the field. And the first thing that I'll be doing, unless my schedule has changed, is a reroute around a pool. You guys might remember the video from last year where I came across some pipes that were traveling underneath the pool deck where some concrete was chiseled out. And it turns out those pipes are actually live, and we do need to reroute them around that pool. So we'll be back out at that location starting tomorrow to reroute those lines around the pool. No, we won't be using the Geo Ripper because I don't want to break the pool pipes. See you there.